everybody, just a quick video here to show you how to get more strawberry plants off of your existing plants. As you see here, strawberries send off runners, and all you do is stick the end of your runner there underneath the dirt, press it down. In just a few days it'll root. Sometimes you'll have some like this one. I had to finally put a rock on it, just something to hold it down until it roots. Here's one that I've had in for a few days. It's already rooted, and all you do is snip off the end of the runner. And as you can see, this one has a runner going out of it too, and you could stick that one in a cup too. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day.